Mrs. Sandra, why did you scatter this dirty? Eh? Look at me. Sandra, why did you scatter this dirty? You want to die? Bring your head, come. I'll leave this thing on your head now. Why did you scatter this dirty? Eh? For you to flog your eye. Bring your head. Look here. Sandra, why did you scatter this dirty? If I beat you now, they will say I beat dog. Are you crazy? I go load this thing on your head, eh? Yeah, stand up. Come and kneel down. Come. Yeah, come and kneel down. Don't go downstairs. Come here, you are running.